How to add social media links in YouTube descriptions. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can add your social media's links in your YouTube video's description. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new video. Now let's dive right in. First step that you will need to take is open up your YouTube. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you do that, you can then go to your profile icon on the top right. Then from here, head over to your YouTube Studio. Locate YouTube Studio and open it up. After you open up your YouTube Studio, what you'll then need to do is head over to the settings that is on the left hand side at the bottom area. Tap on settings. On your settings, you'll find upload defaults. Head over to upload defaults, and under the description, you will now need to add your links for your social media. So let me just add my Facebook here, copy your link and paste it.